Alright guys, what is going on, and welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, me and my buddy Bryce, as you guys saw in the title, we traveled across the state in hopes to catch one fish in particular, and you guys will see that in the video. But I'm not going to keep you guys waiting because a lot happened in this video. I'm going to explain the rig that we used as always in the video. And with all that being said, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the video. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we have traveled across the coast, me and my buddy Bryce. We are fishing for, as you guys saw in the intro, peacock bass, and I'll go more into depth later. But right now we're at the second spot using shiners, and my buddy Bryce came across a school, so can't talk too much right now. But yeah, we're fishing for peacocks, and let's see what we can do. He ate. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. I got broke off. Here we go. Got my redemption. There we go. Get up, buddy. Get up. Hey Bryce, come here. Bryce, come here. There's a follower. Huh? There's a follower. Come here. Pitch it in. No. Farther out. Farther out. Oh, right there. There you go. I got that on video. That was sick.
I gotta let him come out.
That was so sick. Heck yeah, buddy. So if you guys didn't know, peacocks, they usually, when they're mating, they always, if you hook up, there's always another one usually. So I saw another one. And I told my buddy Bryce to cast it, and what do you know, dude? Heck yeah, man. Bring him in.
I don't want to flip him.
Let's get a look at that one, Bryce. First solid P of the day. We were at this other pond early, but I didn't bring out the GoPro because we were just getting warmed up as the sun was coming up with some smaller ones, but these ones are the ones we were looking after. There he goes. Look at those colors on yours, Bryce. Heck yeah. Give me some next, bud. Yeah. I just got 8 again. I got 8, Bryce. No. Little baby, number 2 of the day. Here he goes. So we got a boatload of shiners, got a circle hook, got the shiner, we're nose hooking it, and then we're just casting it right along these little ledges, and they're getting destroyed, man. Caught 2 so far within a span of like 5 or 10 minutes. You said what? I'm coming. Bryce is hooked up. Bryce is hooked up. He says there's a follower. Where is he?
He spooked off that one. He's right there, you see him?
Nah, I don't. Where is he?
He's kind of like right underneath mine.
Yep. Oh, I see him. He's gonna eat it?
Yeah,
he ate it. There we go. Oh, mine's us.
Oh, you got robbed.
Here he goes. Oh, I see a peacock right here. Let's see if I can get him. Oh. 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 Got him. Sight casted. Oh yeah. Just a little guy, but that was so cool to be able to see him in the crystal clear water and sight cast him. Look at that guy. Just a little baby. Here he goes. I got a little one. Well, that's a pretty one. Oh, oh. Might have got 8. Yep. What do we got? Ooh, nice peacock. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice peacock. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. Not a bad one. Look at the colors on that guy. Oh my God, he's fed up. Look at the colors on that guy. What a beautiful fish. There he goes. Oh, I think we just got 8. Yep. What is it? A little cichlid? Oh, big peacock on it. Big peacock on it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him right there. Look at him coming up. Ooh, that's awesome. I got that on video. Not the targeted species, but hey, it's a fish. We're catching fish. So we're just grabbing the shiners just like this. And then we're nose hooking them only to the top nose. Not the whole mouth, just the top. And then we're just casting it right off the edges, letting it sink, giving it a couple twitches. And if the peacocks are there, then they're gonna eat it. Simple. Best time to target the peacocks is when it's hot though. When the water's clear, when it's 90 degrees outside, that's literally the best time to catch them. Oh, peacock right there. Oh, he's about to eat me. Yep, he ate me. That is awesome. Another sight casted peacock. This is a little bit better than the other one that I sight casted. Heck yeah, that is awesome. Gonna go ahead and tighten my drag just a little bit. This is just awesome. They fight way harder than regular bass, and they're way more pretty. There we go. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth, just like that. And here we go, another peacock. On his way back to the depth. Let's go get another bait. Yep, he's on it. Yep, both of them. Oh, he ate it. Get ready to cast in the school. Oh, cast him. You get the little one. Did he eat?
They're all over there.
Oh wait, that pocket over there. Cast there.
Oh, I see that one.
You see him? I don't know if that's a mine. No, it's a mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. You can get the little one. So we pulled up to the second spot of the day, and right as we came along to the bank in this clear water, I saw 2 peacocks, and I told Bryce, let's cast in here, and I got mine. I got a male.
They don't even look at it. That one's pretty.
Yeah, that one's a male. That one's really pretty. First one at the second spot, really pretty one. Very pretty peacock. Here goes the release. A little sight cast. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's flared. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh my God, eat it, bro. There he goes. Did you get that?
Yeah. I never put the fire, I already stopped. I got you.
That's all it is. Heck yeah. See you later, alligator. I'm 8. What is that? Nah, just a little pea. So we're fishing a third spot of the day, guys. And here we go.
I'll catch the follower, because I know you have one.
There we go. Fish on. Is it a better one? A little bit better. These fish aren't the prettiest, but cichlid. Ah! Oh my god. Alright guys, well we have reached the end of the video, and if you guys have made it this far, I just want to say thank you. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, and also leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. If you guys want to see another Miami trip, leave a comment down below, because me and my buddy had a ton of fun and we'll definitely go back if that's what you guys want to see. Alright, well I believe that is all I have for today's video, and like I said, if you guys have made it this far, thank you, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.